How have you been?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing pretty well. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well. Thank you very much. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also great by the grace of Almighty Allah. And where are you from?
I'm from Rajshahi, the Silk City, northwestern part of Bangladesh.
I'm from Gopalganj, and you know that Gopalganj is famous for Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, was founder of Bangladesh.
Could I know your name?
I'm Shohag Ahmed.
And I'm Sharafatuddin, but you can call me Sharafat. It's my nickname.
What do you do?
Right now, I am an IELTS trainer at Rahat English Care.
And I'm an instructor of Rahat English Care. Actually, I conduct online classes, and I conduct kids classes.
Could I know about your age? Basically, how old are you?
I am 30. On January 10th, I was 30. But you forgot to give me your treat.
I'm 25 years old.
Okay, are you married?
Yes, Alhamdulillah. After 16 days of my 30 years of age, I got married. I tied my knot with a girl from Chittagong, Hatajari.
Alhamdulillah, I'm a married person, and I got married before 3 years.
This is the big important question. Are you happy in your conjugal life?
Alhamdulillah. Before I got married, I was not happy at all. But now I am on cloud 9 with my partner. She is my soulmate and the kind of partner I was looking for. And Alhamdulillah, I'm grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Alhamdulillah, I'm also very much happy in my conjugal life, and I have passed over 3 years. But in this long time, we haven't been gotten angry to each other, and we haven't quarreled yet. Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah.
Have you taken any plan? Basically, I would like to ask, so how many kids will you take in the future?
That's a very intriguing question because we haven't made a plan, but at least 10 plus. At least 10 plus. So guys, listen. I need your prayers and blessing so that I can beat the cat.
Actually, it totally depends on Allah, and if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to give me over 10 plus, so I'll take no problem. Allah knows the best of this question. Allah knows the best answer of this question. I can answer.
So this question is very personal. So if you want, you can answer. It's depend on yourself. Okay, do you quarrel? And is it sweet or bad?
Yes, sometimes. Sometimes we have petty argument over very petty things, insignificant things. But I think I enjoy this type of trivial matters with my wife here, and she also enjoys, okay? And after the quarrel, when we pick up a quarrel and, we reconciliate again within a very short span of time and enjoy after the moment, okay? When we reconciliate, the moment is sweeter than honey, guys. You cannot understand, okay, how fun we have at that moment. Come on.
Actually, I don't like quarreling very much because I don't like shouting. I don't like quarreling with my wife. And whenever I get angry with her, she actually becomes very much silent, and she doesn't answer. When I'm angry, she doesn't answer, and she totally gets silent. She totally remains silent, and both of us don't like quarreling.
Do you think life is very beautiful?
As you know, life has its twists and turns and ups and downs. It is not bed of roses. Sometimes I feel like, I felt like giving up when I started my journey. Now I am enjoying, admiring each moment of my life. And I have a tremendous passion of teaching English. And Alhamdulillah, I am doing this job. So I'm enjoying my life. But yes, life will pose you difficulties, obstacles every now and then. So yes, life has its twists and turns. It is not easy. It is not a piece of cake to lead.
As mentioned, our Shohak sir, Honorable Shohak sir. So I also support him. So life is like a hill track. Life is like a hill track. So if you ever been to Shajak Valley, so you can see that the hill tracks is sometimes you have to enhance the power of engine of Chander Gari. That is called Chander Gari. Sometimes you have to enhance the power of the car, and sometimes after riding the top of the hill, and you can easily get sometimes without energy, without spending energy of that car. So our life is like that. Example of a life is but like a riding bicycle. So look at a bicycle. If you ride a bicycle, it can be stable, and if you stop riding, it can fall down. It fall down. So our life is like a riding bicycle.
Thank you very much for your explanation, and it was excellent, right? Okay. So I would like to know. So you know that there are many people and who would like to earn so much money. But my question is that. So do you think only money can bring happiness?
That's a fantastic question. When I think about earning money, actually it transfixes me, it puzzles me. People nowadays are, on the way they are on, thinking how they can earn more money because they'd like to attain happiness in the life. And I have seen many people, they are, on, hunting for name and fame. They are going for name and fame, money and fortune. But actually, money only cannot bring happiness. Okay. So to become happy, to lead a happier lifestyle, what you need at first is a peace of your mind. Okay. You need to remember your Almighty, your Creator. Only in the remembrance of your God, Allah said in the Quran, only in the remembrance of your God, you will find peace and tranquility in heart. So I don't argue with this fact that only money can bring happiness. Only the remembrance of your Creator will bring happiness in your life.
So that's a tricky question for me. So actually, money is not enough for making ourselves happiness, because it's just part of happiness. If you have money, you can be happy, or you can't be happy. But if you are connected with your Almighty Lord, as our shuaks are mentioned, so you must be happy. If you are connected, if you can be connected with Almighty Allah, you must be happy.
Thank you very much, Namor, today.